Right, hi guys, it's Sam here again. Welcome back to Day on the Farm episode 39. So today on the farm, I've been, well, you can see that there's not as much equipment here. That is because of one thing, and I'll show you that in a minute. My silage pit is still the same. I just got my stuff parked up there, and over here I have moved the farm over there and just kind of moved that stuff over here, so it gives it a nice effect, and I've got my T9 over there. And also I've kind of like put that edge in there and made the wall a bit longer, so yeah, it's going to be a bit tighter space, but yeah. I got my Ford 7600 or 7600, whatever you call it. So yeah, I'll show you something else now if I just cut the video, because I have put a new display, like a new farm, a new small holding where I keep my sheep. Okay, see ya. Right, so over here, this is my small farm. So I have a small stack of small bales there, and I've bought my TN310S down here. Bought my flatbed trailer, one of them, John Deere, some bales, my case baler, a grain trailer, and then I've got a roller in there with my attachments, and there's like a gate, and you can see the blue, but there's a roller in there. Got my sheep in a pen here in this barn, and I got my forage harvester. Got my plough and mower and swath turner. So I got the forage harvesting equipment, and then I got my Massey Ferguson. So tell me what you think of this. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.